Hey y'all, good to have you back on the road with me. Welcome to Olinsi Traveling. If you're driving through or just curious what this stop's like, you're in the right place. Today we're rolling into Julesburg, Colorado, right near the Nebraska state line, checking out the Colorado Welcome Center. Like if you've ever stopped here, drop your go-to truck stop in the comments. And subscribe to Olinsi Traveling. We hit the good, the bad, and the ones in between every Sunday. Let's go for a walk and look around the place. They've got a nice sized parking lot here. Plenty of space for trucks and RVs to pull in, even during the daytime. Not as crowded as the Loves, and a good place to park if you're just looking for a break without all the diesel noise. Inside the Welcome Center, you'll find clean restrooms, friendly staff, and a ton of info on Colorado travel. They've even got local history displays if you're into learning a little something while you're off your feet. The outside area is well kept with picnic tables, flags flying, and sidewalks that are actually clean. Yeah, plenty of room to stretch your legs or take the dog for a walk, man. Real peaceful stop, especially after a long haul. This ain't a full-service truck stop. No showers, no diesel pumps, but it's a quiet, respectful place to reset for a bit. Sometimes a little space and clean air are all you need. So that's the Colorado Welcome Center in Julesburg. A solid stop for maps, rest, and just catching your breath before or after crossing the state line. Like if you've ever stopped here, drop your go-to truck stop in the comments. And subscribe to Olinsi Traveling. We hit the good, the bad, and the ones in between every Sunday.